What's up, guys? I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today we're going to be talking about this impact driver that we sell at 1A Auto. Open the case. Here's the driver. Now, what you would use this for most of the time would be to take off a bolt that holds the rotor on your brakes. So you can take the different bits here, install them in here, and then what you do is go up to the rotor, you take a hammer, and you hit it on the back while you're twisted to the left a little bit. So it comes with all these bits. Another cool feature about this tool is you can pull this head off, and you could take a regular socket or a torque socket. It's a 3/8 size. Stick that on and use that as well. So I hope this tool helps you out. Get it at 1aauto.com.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.